Hey guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Triumph Street Triple 765R factory low. So here it is, it's a 2018 on a 67 plate, 8,120 miles. And it's a lovely, lovely bike. This one finished in this gorgeous, deep, glossy black, lovely colour, proper head turner, especially in the daylight. Couple of nice extras on there as well. So on this particular one, you've got the frame protection, which is the proper Triumph frame protection as well. You've got the tail tidy, you've got the colour TFT display with all of your riding modes. It's also got the bar end mirrors. It is, of course, the factory low as well, so it sits a bit lower than the standard one, which is good if you've got slightly shorter legs or you want a flat foot comfortably. If you are interested though, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.